Guys, welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydia, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome once again, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. For the new ones, you're very much welcome on this channel. So in today's video, we are going to be making my favorite Burundian traditional food. First of all, I'm going to make sweet potatoes and beans. Enjoy the video as I show you guys the step on how to make sweet potatoes and beans. So guys, here we use palm oil to cook beans. Palm oil in my mother tongue is amamesa. Yes, amamesa in English is palm oil. So yeah, I thought I should mention that. So guys, this is the final look of ibijumbu. Ibijumbu is sweet potato. In our mother tongue, sweet potato, we call it ibijumbu. So guys, I can eat this every day, all day. This was just so tasty and amazing. Wow. So next, we'll be making some dry fish with lenga lenga. Lenga lenga is mchicha in Kiswahili ya Kenya, I guess so. Yes, and in English is what? Let me Google. So after Googling, is like Google is confusing me. It's amaranth leaves or terere, but okay, it's just mchicha or lenga lenga. So that's what we'll be making, and my cousin is the one who will be making it. So let's just see and follow the steps. Yes guys, here we don't use gas or anything. Everywhere that you'll go in Burundi, very few people use gas to cook. We use charcoal to cook, and I guess that's why the food is kind of tasty more than anywhere else. I heard like cooking with charcoal make food tastier. Please, if you know that, let me know in the comment section. Yeah, I would appreciate that. And the dry fish with lenga lenga or tere tere, we had it with sima or ugali or a bowl of maize. Yes, I guess so. That's what ugali is in English. So guys, this food was heaven, healthy and nice. This was like really natural and healthy. Yes guys, no spices, no nothing. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe if you're new to this channel. So love you guys. Bye.